The internet is abuzz with talk of a rare planetary alignment. Headlines scream about a once-in-a-lifetime event. Social media is flooded with stunning images, promising a celestial spectacle unseen for millennia. But before you clear your schedule and dust off your telescope, let's take a closer look at the truth behind this cosmic clickbait. The reality, as is often the case with viral phenomena, is far less extraordinary than the hype suggests. While the idea of planets aligning perfectly in a straight line is captivating, it's not entirely accurate. These so-called rare alignments are not as rare as they seem. In fact, planetary alignments occur more frequently than most people realize, often going unnoticed by the general public. Nor are they true alignments in the strictest sense of the word. The planets do not line up perfectly, rather they appear to be in the same general area of the sky from our perspective on Earth. The planets, while appearing close together from our earthly vantage point, remain millions of miles apart, continuing their celestial dance across the vast cosmic stage. This perspective can be misleading, making the alignment seem more significant than it is. The internet, with its insatiable appetite for the sensational, often distorts the wonders of the universe. Sensational headlines and viral posts can make ordinary astronomical events seem like once-in-a-lifetime spectacles. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement, to believe in the promise of witnessing something truly extraordinary. However, it's important to approach these events with a critical eye and a sense of wonder for the everyday beauty of the cosmos. But the beauty of the cosmos lies not just in rare events, but in the everyday marvels that unfold above us every night. The night sky is a constant source of awe and inspiration, filled with countless wonders waiting to be discovered. The term planet parade evokes images of celestial bodies marching in perfect order across the night sky, a mesmerizing alignment that seems almost too perfect to be real. While not entirely inaccurate, this picture requires a bit of clarification. The reality is both fascinating and slightly more complex. A planet parade occurs when several planets appear close together in the sky from our perspective on Earth. This alignment is a result of their positions in their respective orbits. This phenomenon is possible because the planets in our solar system, including Earth, all orbit the Sun on roughly the same plane, known as the ecliptic. This shared plane allows for these unique alignments. Imagine a giant flat disk with the Sun at its center. This disk represents the ecliptic plane where all planetary orbits lie. Now picture the planets moving around the Sun on this disk, each following its own elliptical path. These paths are not perfect circles but elongated orbits. From our viewpoint on Earth, which sits on that same disk, we see the planets moving across a narrow band of sky. This band is where the ecliptic plane intersects our line of sight. When several planets happen to cluster in this band, we get a planet parade. This visual treat is a result of their synchronized orbits. These parades are not rare occurrences. In fact, they happen more frequently than one might expect. The frequency depends on the orbital periods of the planets involved and Earth's position relative to them. Each planet's unique orbit contributes to the timing and occurrence of these celestial events. The claim of a once in 396 billion years alignment, making the rounds online, is a prime example of how scientific information can be misinterpreted and sensationalized. Such claims often capture the public's imagination, but they can also lead to widespread misconceptions about astronomical phenomena. This figure originates from the work of Jean Mayus, a renowned Belgian astronomer. Mayus dedicated his career to the precise calculations of celestial events, contributing significantly to our understanding of planetary movements. Mayus, in his calculations, was not looking for perfect alignments where the planets form a straight line. Instead, he was interested in the statistical probabilities of planetary positions. Instead, he was determining the probability of all 8 planets fitting within a small, arbitrary area of the sky, specifically 1.8 degrees. This area is surprisingly small when you consider the vastness of the sky. To put this in perspective, imagine stretching your arm out and holding up your pinky finger. The width of your pinky finger at arm's length covers roughly 1 degree of the sky. The width of your pinky finger at arm's length covers roughly 1 degree of the sky. Now imagine squeezing all 8 planets within a space barely twice that width. Now imagine squeezing all 8 planets within a space barely twice that width. This visualization helps us understand the improbability of such an event. Mias's calculation, while mathematically sound, was never intended to represent a true alignment. It was a theoretical exercise to explore the probabilities of planetary positions. It was a statistical exercise, a way to explore the probabilities of planetary positions. The complexity of these calculations often gets lost in translation when shared with the general public. The internet, however, latched onto this figure, transforming it into evidence of an impossibly rare and spectacular event. This highlights the importance of understanding the context behind scientific data before drawing sensational conclusions. While the once in 396 billion years alignment is a myth, the night sky of 2025 does offer plenty of opportunities for celestial observation. Throughout January and February, keen-eyed stargazers can witness a beautiful display of planets gracing the twilight hours. Mars, with its distinctive reddish hue, will be a prominent sight in the early evening sky. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, will join the celestial party, shining brightly as it makes its way across the constellation Pisces. Venus, often referred to as the evening star, will dazzle with its brilliance, outshining all other planets in the sky. As February progresses, Mercury, the elusive innermost planet, will make a brief appearance, visible just above the horizon shortly after sunset. On March 8th, a particularly interesting configuration occurs as Mercury will be visible between Saturn and Venus. The allure of the rare and spectacular is undeniable, but in our quest for these elusive events we often overlook the beauty of the everyday cosmos. The night sky is a constantly changing canvas, a celestial tapestry woven with threads of starlight, planetary motion, and the soft glow of distant galaxies. Every night offers a unique opportunity for discovery. The moon, our celestial companion, waxes and wanes through its phases, casting its silvery light on the world below. Meteor showers, like celestial fireworks displays, streak across the darkness, leaving trails of cosmic dust in their wake. The constellations, those familiar patterns of stars, tell stories passed down through generations, stories of heroes and monsters, gods and goddesses, etched across the cosmos for all to see. These celestial wonders, while not as flashy as a rare alignment, offer a quiet, enduring beauty that whispers of our place in the vast cosmic expanse. Gone are the days when stargazing required complex charts, compasses, and a deep understanding of celestial navigation. Today, a wealth of tools and resources are available to help even the novice stargazer unlock the secrets of the night sky. Smartphone apps like Stellarium, Starwalk 2, and Sky Safari put a planetarium in your pocket. These apps use your phone's GPS and compass to show you the exact position of stars, planets, constellations, and even satellites in real time. Simply point your phone at the sky and let the app be your guide. Websites and online communities offer a wealth of information for both beginner and experienced astronomers. Websites like NASA's Astronomy Picture of the Day provide stunning images and explanations of celestial events. Online forums and social media groups connect amateur astronomers, allowing them to share their passion, ask questions, and learn from one another. The night sky has captivated humanity since time immemorial. It is a source of wonder, inspiration, and endless exploration for all ages. While the internet may hype rare alignments and sensationalize cosmic events, the true beauty of the cosmos lies in its everyday wonders and mysteries. So step outside tonight and look up. Let your eyes adjust to the darkness. Breathe in the cool night air. Let the vastness of the universe wash over you. You don't need a once-in-a-lifetime event to experience the awe-inspiring beauty of the cosmos. Every night the universe puts on a show for those willing to look up and witness it. Embrace the wonder, explore the unknown, and never lose your sense of awe at the vast, mysterious, and infinitely fascinating universe we call home.